Hello and welcome to my channel, everyone. Today's video is sponsored by a company called Nutree. They sent me a product that is a hair Botox, and it is supposed to be good for getting your hair straight without altering your curl pattern. So right here, I just wanted to show you guys the packaging, how it came. I love this bright pink color. You guys know pink is my favorite color. And then it also came along with an information guide telling you exactly how to use the product. So I emailed them directly and I asked them, was it okay to apply this to wet or dry hair? Because they do have two separate application methods. So I opted to apply mine to dry natural hair, but they do say that you can shampoo your hair, blow dry, and then apply it to damp or dry hair. So it doesn't really matter the technique. You just have to let it sit for at least 20 to 40 minutes. Now, I'm going to be completely blunt with you guys because you already know how I am. I shot this video about 2 or 3 weeks ago with my daughter, Olivia, not thinking anything of it, but the company did reach out saying that this product is not for kids, which I honestly was confused about because if it's all natural, why can't everybody use it? So just keep that in mind. Just a little disclaimer that this supposedly is not for kids, okay? Anybody under the age of 12. So be careful when you use this. And I decided to use it on myself just because after they sent that message, I was kind of skeptical about putting this on any other client. And I wanted to see if this was really going to be like something that will help straighten my hair, or if this was like a relaxer type of situation where if I put it on, it'll damage my hair and make it straight, which it did not. But I'm just going and throwing this on because I had to reshoot this video, and at this point I was already kind of like in my bag about it, but you're gonna make the best of the situation. So I'm literally just applying this all over with my hands, and I'm just squeezing it through, and I'm going to show you guys my curl pattern once I'm done applying it and once it has sat for 30 minutes, just so you can see that my curl pattern is literally exactly the same. It's not straighter, it's not more limp, it's not anything like a relaxer. Even though it looks like I'm putting a relaxer in my hair, it is not. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this throughout my hair, let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes with the shower cap on, and then I'm going to rinse it out. With this container, I was able to do 2 full applications, so just keep that in mind. I was able to apply this on Olivia's hair, and you guys know she has super long hair, and then I was able to come back in and use the remainder of the product to finish my hair. But definitely if you have super long hair, super thick hair, you would need probably more than one of these, so just keep that in mind. So this product is supposed to smooth the hair cuticle, and it's a hair Botox, which basically helps you soften the hair, so when you press it, your press will last longer. And honestly, my hair is still straight since I've pressed my hair out this day. It's been about a week, but I've been home. I haven't done any like exercising or sweating excessively, and I haven't gotten my hair wet in the shower. So just keep that in mind. If you do get your hair wet, it is a possibility that it can revert sooner. But so far, so good. My hair is still straight. So this is after 30 minutes, guys. And as you can see, my curl pattern looks exactly the same because your girl was worried, and it was about to be a whole problem if it wasn't. So I had Olivia in this day. We came back in to reshoot this, and I just had her shampoo me 3 times. And then I also did a deep condition with the steam. Once that was done, I'm going to go in and use a heat protectant and then proceed to press out my hair. So this is literally her first time shampooing me, and I think she did a pretty decent job, guys. So shout out to you, young Liv. I love you so much, and I feel like Livy is definitely going to be a hairstylist when she gets older. Okay, so now that I'm done being shampooed, I'm just going in with this Revlon 4-in-1 blow dryer, and I'm just pre-blow drying my hair. I just wanted to use this again just to try to make it easier to blow dry my hair, but I did opt in at the end to use my round brush and my regular Rust Speed Freak blow dryer, only because with this blow dryer, it does not get your roots. That's the only thing I dislike about it. To get to your roots, you have to hold it down for a really long time, and it still doesn't get it as straight as I would like. So I was sure to blow dry this thoroughly and then use a round brush, just making sure my hair is completely straight. And I did add a heat protectant in my hair, the one I always use. And now I'm just going in with my custom irons, and I'm just going to press my hair out, and we're going to see how this press turns out. Okay, guys? So drop a comment down below if you've ever heard of hair Botox or used hair Botox. This is literally my first time ever hearing about it, so I was super skeptical because I don't like using a whole lot of products in my hair, especially products that aren't natural. They do say this product is natural, but again, my only issue was if it's natural, how come everybody can't use it? You feel me? So keep that in the back of your brains, okay? So I'm just going to finish pressing my hair out, and then I'm going to show you how it looks at the end once it's all straightened. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have not already, if I can speak, if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out the information in the description box below, and make sure to follow your girl on the gram. We are almost at 65K, and I'm super, super excited. So I'm just going to let this video play out because I literally am at work and my client comes in 20 minutes. And I'm just going to show you guys the end result, how my hair looks once it's done being pressed. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.